Thanks to this decision, some of the cases we're talking about would be ending birthright citizenship, which now comes to the fore.
But we still don't know if the Supreme Court actually agrees with the Trump administration's executive order that said that children born to undocumented immigrants in the United States could not be considered U.S. citizens. Instead, what they're saying is that the judges who disagree with that order have to limit the scope of those orders just to their districts. In other words, it only could be blocked there. This only applies to newborn babies going forward in the future. It would not apply to anyone who is a U.S. citizen but was born in this country to an undocumented immigrant. Most reporters had questions about the earliest implications. Is it possible that 30 days from now, if a baby is born to an undocumented immigrant in a state where a judge has not blocked Trump's order, would that baby then not be considered a U.S. citizen?
This is all pending litigation. It's going to be decided in October by the Supreme Court.
But as we understand it, there is no pending litigation on birthright citizenship before this court. They already decided on the only case before them, but they didn't weigh in on whether or not Trump is actually violating the Constitution when he tries to undo birthright citizenship, something that has been enshrined in the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. So what does all this mean going forward? We're still waiting to get more clarification from the Trump administration on how they plan to interpret this order and how they might move forward in states where it hasn't been blocked.